my opinion, that when you're really putting together one of those business plans, you're looking at a business that you don't know may work or not. So you, like you said, you're looking at what your target audience is going to be, where you're going to be marketing at, your different stakeholders, things like that, resources, putting it all together, where you're going to get your money from, et cetera, et cetera. It's important, but if you're doing, even if you have that business plan and you start taking action within your business, it's not an operation plan.
Yeah. Ooh, that's good. That's good. Really good. That's really good.
And so for me, a business plan is to show somebody this is what I do. This is how we function within the market space. But the thing that breaks businesses down, in my opinion, is they don't have an operational plan. They don't have SOPs in place. They don't know what they're doing. They're winging it. In a business plan, you can waste time. People pay people to write a business plan, which baffles me to death, because you're paying somebody else to tell you about your business.
For business.
So I don't know, you're hiring one as a CEO or operations director. I don't know, but yeah, business plan, in my opinion, is not an operational plan. It's not a marketing plan. It's just a high level on that kind of talks about what you do in business.